Sisilbihan ka't palit.
Grabe to. Valentine's special. Ito na, camps. Stare into each other's eyes for 10 seconds. Hiyang-hiyang dito, parang lagi nila ginagawa yan sa likod eh. Okay, staring contest for 10 seconds lang naman. Okay. Wala pa! Alright, ready? 3. Guys, bilang tayo 10 to 1. 3, 2, 1, and go! Kami pinamagalan! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Susisiw. Andres, di ba? So easy.
20 seconds yun ah.
Ang dadaya nila. 10, 10, 10. Okay.
Lapit nyo pa, nak. Hey, let's go, nak! Hey! My parents that forgot to separate. My parents forgot to separate. So, bakit?
Simple lang pumama pero swabe ang dating. Sa lahat yata ng bagay hanip grabe ang galing. Chick na mahinhin di makabasag pinggan, pero sa basketball tambak hindi.
Hey, wait up, ready for game?
Ay, balik, boom, boom. No.
Sige. Wait lang, Ben!
Boom, balik. Last it.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw nga ba love of my life? Ikaw nga ba ang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko? Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Ikaw
Ako'y tinamaan, puso'y tinamaan. Sadyang ikaw lang ang tanging dahilan. I don't wanna fight. You got wrong vibes, but let me get you right. 'Cause I apologize. JT, when you act up,
Marhaba! Hi guys, I'm Ashley Noviga playing the character of JJ.
And I'm Andres Mulak playing the character of Kiefer Watson. Mutya ng Section E! Now available with Arabic subtitles on Vivo One.
Yes, subscribe now and stream legally.
Oh.